In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change culture in Ownerrez. To get started, head over to Ownerrez and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you arrive on the homepage, take a moment to orient yourself. This setting is found in your account preferences, so you won't need to dig through booking or inquiry tools to find it. From the homepage, look up to the top right corner of the screen. That's where you'll usually find your account and profile options. Click on your profile to open the account menu. This menu gives you access to personal settings and configuration options tied to your account. When the menu appears, click on Preferences. This will take you to the page where you can manage several account-specific display and regional settings. If you ever need to adjust how information appears in the system, this is a useful place to remember. Once you're on the Preferences page, look for the Culture setting. In Ownerrez, culture usually controls things like formatting preferences, which can affect the way dates, numbers, and other regional elements are displayed. Choosing the correct culture can help make the platform feel more natural and easier to use based on your location or preferred format. After you find the culture field, click on the drop-down button next to it. This will open a list of available culture options. Scroll through the list if needed, and then select the new culture you want to use. Be sure to choose the option that matches your preferred regional formatting, especially if you rely on specific date styles or number separators in your day-to-day workflow. Once you've made your selection, take a quick second to confirm that the correct option is now showing in the field. This is a simple but helpful check before saving, especially if there are several similar choices in the drop-down list. When everything looks right, click Save. This applies the change to your preferences and updates your account setting. After saving, you should see a confirmation message letting you know that your preferences have been saved and that your changes have been made. That's how you know the update was successful. And that's it. You've now changed the culture setting in Ownerrez. If you're adjusting your account for easier reading or to match your local formatting standards, this is a quick setting that can make a noticeable difference. Thanks for watching.